Should I or should I not peel this back?
Hello and welcome to Behind the Wheel. This is my 2019 Toyota RAV4 Adventure model. Now, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. There's a little button right here, and if you want to stay up to date with the newest videos on the 2019-2020 RAV4 and what is coming up for these models, please stay tuned. And now, without further ado, let's start this thing. All right, here we are trying to find a decent spot to make this video. Wait a minute. Well, look at that. Not that. Yucky. Well, boys, I think we're gonna go a little bit off-roading right here. Yeah. Hopefully I don't get a flat tire. All right, so a lot of people are into the whole roof basket thing, and it's kind of like a trend that you can see it on all the vehicles, mainly off-road vehicles and all-wheel drive cars like the Outbacks, the not the Jeeps, because the Jeeps have the whole like removable tops, but mostly like all-wheel drive vehicles, some RAV4s, they have those things. You have also some like Subaru Imprezas that have it. Now you're looking into the market. Now you go online and you're looking at Amazon and you're looking at all these retailers, and they're at $150 plus, and you're like, whoa, that's too much money to invest in a roof basket. And right, you are. But take into consideration what you're getting when you buy those, right? So for example, if you buy a cheaper model, they might not be well made. When I say well made, it could be like the welds are not that good. It could be more prone to rusting. This thing is out on the exterior of the car and is hit by sun and water and all that, and all the environmental conditions that you could imagine. So will this thing last? Excuse me. Will this thing last? Second thing is appearances, the looks. How good does it look? There are some brands out there that have this weird flow of the roof baskets, and that's because of aerodynamics. You do not want to create too much drag on top. So basically, you just have a roof spoiler on your car. And the other thing is, with that, if noise is going to come up, because now you have a barrier on the roof of your car and it's creating a lot of noise. So today I'm going to talk to you about the one that I bought. I went with the cheapest one there is, and hopefully you're going to like it. Now, you could get this at Harbor Freight for around $80. Now, if you're a sweet talker, you might get it for less. It's up to you. I got it for 80 bucks. Now, let's get out of the car, and I'm going to show you the roof basket. Now, take it. This thing is dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a while, and also I painted the front plate because I didn't like the bare black color that it had. Okay, so here we go. So there you go. There's your roof basket right here. Obviously, I got some tape that I put on here the other day, but this is it. Now, this is how you hook it up to your crossbars. It has those knobs right here that you twist, and it hooks up to your crossbars. Now, this is what I'm talking about right here. Obviously, this is a cheap model, so it's already starting to rust. Now, I don't know if that's dirt. It looks like rust. And then you go around here. It has this rubber things around the heart right here, obviously to just maybe keep water off of them. And if you go around here, there's that plate that I was talking to you about, and I took it off and I painted it white, and I put some stickers on it, some vinyls, and made it look like that. That's how it looks on the car. You could fit some, not that much stuff in there. It's not that big of a roof basket, but it does its job. I have a lot of people looking at me over there like I'm crazy, but either way, this is what YouTube does to you. So there you go. So now let's take it out for a drive and see what the wind noise is. All right, so here we are on the ramp, about to get on 95. Now, I'm gonna be quiet and I'm just gonna let you hear the difference. Hopefully there's no traffic, because 95 is not good with traffic. Sometimes it's just backed up because people like to go on the expressway, on the highway, and do their thing. But here we are. We're doing 38, all right, and not that much noise. Once you reach around 60, that's when the noise starts to happen. That noise right there is this big semi truck. Oh, here I'm gonna open up the sunroof and or the moonroof. There you go. And that's the noise. Really noisy. And you could also feel like a little bit of resistance when you're driving this thing with that roof basket on. But Jesus Christ, these freaking trucks are too loud. But that's a nice truck though. Can't get mad at that. But anyways, and there you have it. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can determine if you want to go ahead and buy a cheap roof basket, or if you want to go and invest in these $150 plus roof baskets. Now, I could only tell you about the noise on this Harbor Freight one. Now, I'm not dissing the Harbor Freight roof basket. I think it's a great roof basket for the price. You do have to compromise on the noise and the little bit of resistance that you get from the air flowing through it. But other than that, if you're going for looks, I think this is good. Now, things that have been pointed out about this roof basket: it's too small. You know what? I wanted it that way. 2, like the airflow on it, it's not that good. I get it. It's noisy. Get over it. It's a roof basket. You're putting something on top of your car that's creating wind resistance. And then the overall, like, what are you going to do with it? Why do you have it on your roof? Well, I have it on the roof because I want to, because I like it. So, it all depends on what you're going to use the roof basket for. Now, I've seen plenty of cars with these roof baskets on. They're not being put to use. Now, they look good on some cars and they don't look good on others. So keep in mind that when you're getting these roof baskets, or if you're getting a roof basket, that it fits the size of your vehicle and the looks that you're going for. Again, the look that you're going for. If you wanted a big freaking sombrero looking basket, go ahead and get your sombrero basket. But if you want something nice and small, just something that you could have on the top of the roof of the car so you could throw some tires or whatever the heck you're doing, go ahead. I recommend this Harbor Freight one. Now, keep in mind the maintenance that you're going to have to do to it so it doesn't start rusting like it's doing on mine. You might need to get some corrosion protection, spray, or like a little tar thing that you put with a brush on it. But overall, this basket is good. Okay, that's it for the basket. I want to address a couple things from the previous video that I made. A lot of people were commenting on it and asking some questions. One, where is this vehicle manufactured from? This vehicle was not manufactured, but it was assembled in Canada. All right. It says right here, Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Canada. And it's right there. And now I'm not going to show it because then next thing you know, you got my VIN number and all that crap. And you do that title fraud thing. It's going around. Anyways. So yes, Canada. I've had this vehicle for 6,527 miles already. No complaints whatsoever. Yes, the noise on the roof, right here on the roof, the visor. Yes, it's noisy. Whatever. I put some rag over it, call it a day. Excuse me again. Well, there you have it. You know, this video was taken, it took a lot of more time. I just edited that out, and I'm gonna make it this one. I'm gonna end it right here. So with that, I just wanted to tell you guys, please subscribe to the channel. I will try to make more content. I'm just trying to get to the 1,000 subscriber goal. You know, that way I could make more content. I have money to create more stuff, and you know, and do more upgrades to the vehicle. Right now, and I'm just the average guy, so I really can't go out and wild out and buy wheels and tires and all the stuff that people want to see on videos, which I would really like to put out there. Also, there's a big move planned in January. Hopefully, with if everything turns out well, I could move, and I'll try to see if I could get a garage, and you know. And then it will no longer be behind the wheel, it will be in the garage or something like that. I'll change the name of the channel. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching and leaving a lot of comments. Please leave comments below. For the 1,000 subscribers, maybe I'll do a giveaway. You know, that will be also the goal, to, you know, give you guys something back. Again, in the comments, go ahead and put down there in the comments below what you would like to see if there is a giveaway, or when I do the giveaway, what would you like it to be? If it's like a vehicle, like a RAV4 accessory, or you know, like some LED lights, I don't know, you name it, just put it down there. I'll see what I could do, and if I'm able to do it, I'll do it. Also, I don't, like I said, again, I'm just gonna keep saying it right here. There's a little button, maybe, hopefully, click it, subscribe, turn on the notifications for the next video. Hopefully next week I'll have a new video posted, since I don't have that much time, because I also work. You know, I'm the average Joe out there trying to make some good content for YouTube. And then if you hear me kind of talking weird, it's because I have my retainers on, and I'm trying to get my tooth, you know, my tooth fixed. So anyways, again, see you guys later on the next video, and have a great day.